Your success is their worst nightmare. And their worst nightmare has become a reality. They did not envision that you would be triumphant. They did not envision that you would overcome all adversaries, even some adversaries that they created for you. They did not envision that you would reinvent yourself. They did not envision that you would build yourself back up again. They didn't envision that you will have this spark, this dynamic, energizing, go-getting energy that you possess. They did not envision that you would win. They thought they had ended you. They thought it was over for you. Maybe because of some turbulent situation that occurred in your life, a breakup, a loss of a job, or, a loss of a home for some of you, unfortunately. But you rose and you will continue to rise again. And now they're crashing out. They did not envision that you will find that partner that respects you, that's loyal to you, that loves you. Everything that they did not want for you is happening. And it's going to happen. They didn't envision that you would actually get your products up and running for sale. They didn't envision that they will see you thriving. For some of you, you could become extremely successful and you could get interviewed on TV. For some of you, this is you doing your own podcast or you appearing on a podcast show talking about your business. They're wondering how is this all happening? For some of you, they're still trapped in the past. They're still trapped on a timeline of when you didn't have anything. But they do remember. They remember some of the things that you said to them. They remember some of the things that you said you wanted to achieve. And now you are living your dream. And they can't believe it. Because they were betting on the fact that maybe you didn't have enough money or things were going bad for you. So they sat back and watched. They didn't help. They didn't want to help. Instead, they added to your plate. They created more chaos in your life behind the scenes. They wanted to keep you down. They wanted to stop and block you. They didn't want you to experience the love that you are experiencing right now. And what these individuals need to understand is that everything that they wanted for you is now happening in their own life. People are betraying them. Their romantic relationships are getting blocked. And they're not being chosen. These individuals are going to see you being chosen for the right job, right partner, and they're going to be looking like this, disheveled, sad, enraged, but having to keep it all in because they can't expose the fact that they tried to block and stop you and stagnate you. Everything that they didn't want for you is going to happen, or it's happening right now. And they will not be able to be a part of it. They will not be able to destroy it because that's exactly what they wanted to do. That's exactly what they were trying to do for a long time. They were trying to create tower moments in your life to make sure that you don't receive your blessings. And now Spirit is lining it up so that they cannot unsee that you stand victorious, that you are powerful, that you reign supreme, that you are unbeatable. And yeah, certain time you went through your trials and tribulations and you transmuted that energy of pain and despair and you turned it into power. And they are forced to witness your glory. And you being triumphant over these adversaries is so bigger than they even expect. Because it's living proof to these individuals that no matter what they throw at you, you will rise and you will continue to rise again. So yeah, your success is their nightmare. It was their dream when things were going wrong for you with the Ten of Swords. They were happy, they were content, they were at peace. Now they're feeling a sense of dis-ease, drainage, unrest, because you're winning, and you will continue to win by remaining focused on yourself, on your goals, on what is important to you, and climbing higher and higher and higher, and not looking back. Congratulations in advance. I'm proud of you.